Hi, my name is Philipp Frey. I'm responsible for rollout and operations of tiko, and today we do a tiko sun installation. Welcome to the tiko sun installation. First of all, you have to find the right place to install the tiko K-boxes. So go to the electrical panel and figure out where you can install the K-boxes. The next step is find some space in the panel and allocate the K-boxes on the right spot. For example, here we install the PBO. When the installation is fully done and all the pieces are installed, take care that you put back the safety instructions, the flips, the covers, and then start the installation and put all the breakers back so that everything is powered. If the installation is fully done and all the pieces and all the K-boxes are installed, you can start with the installation process. So go to the partner portal, open the installation procedure and follow the 7-step instructions. If everything is physically installed and all the K-boxes are powered, you can go back to the partner portal and go step by step through the installation procedure. You will see these 7 steps, it's easy to handle and to install. After the installation, the customer is always able to log in his front-end portal. So once the installation is completely finished, there is a tiko sun app guide where you can forward to the end client. Don't forget that, please.